What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video we'll be unboxing the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. But in this video you're going to want to watch because we're going to point out one extremely important fact that you probably won't find somewhere else. Now that we've got everything unpackaged, let's go over each item one by one. So as you can see, the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual comes packaged very nicely in this hard case, and the foam layout in the case I think is awesome. It fits everything perfectly. So here you have the drone, and in the drone is the one battery that it comes with already installed. So I'll just, there you go, I'll separate the two for you so you can see. Then you have the controller. And so very important with the controller, the sticks are hidden under the little foam clamps. Then we have a full set of propellers and two spares. We have the power adapter and the power cord. We have, so if you look on top of the aircraft, you have this module port cover for the accessories that come with it. And so you get an extra one with the drone. There you go. A little tough to put back on and take off. So there it is, the extra cover. This box, this funky shaped box, this includes all the manuals and the quick start guides and everything you need to know about the drone. Then we have the cable box. So these are the cables that go with the controller for the different phones that you might be using or tablets. Then you have the module accessories. So these are really cool. We have a loudspeaker, a spotlight, and a strobe beacon. And so all these can be plugged on the top of your aircraft, but only one at a time. And lastly, the piece of paper that I pulled out in the beginning is just a guide to show you how to put everything in the case, and it also lists everything that comes in the case. There you have it, that's what comes with the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. So we like making these unboxing videos because it's not so clear sometimes what comes with each drone, and so now you know. If you're interested in the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, visit us on the web at www.terrestrialimaging.com.